In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Paperform with Zendesk seamlessly. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and enhance your customer support efficiency, this tutorial is here to guide you through the integration process using Zapier. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear understanding of how to automate form submissions from Paperform, translating them into actionable tickets on Zendesk. To kick things off, the first step is to head over to Zapier.com and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll want to click on Create Zap. Think of a Zap as a blueprint for your automation, something that connects two or more apps to automate repetitive tasks. Here, we are focusing on connecting Paperform and Zendesk, so an efficient start here will smooth your path forward. Next, we'll set up our trigger. The trigger in the Zap will be a new form submission in Paperform. Begin by choosing Paperform as your trigger app and select New Form Submission from the list of potential triggers. This is crucial because we want our Zap to activate every time there's a new submission on your chosen form. Connect your Paperform account to Zapier, ensuring you have access to the form you wish to integrate. Double check that you've selected the correct form to avoid any slip-ups as we proceed. Now that our trigger is in place, it's time to set up the action. For this, we'll look towards Zendesk. Select Zendesk from the list of action apps and choose Create Ticket as your action. Of course, depending on your needs, you might have a different Zendesk action in mind, but for simplicity, we'll stick to creating a ticket today. You'll then connect your Zendesk account by entering your credentials, specifically the subdomain, email, and API token associated with your Zendesk account. Ensure these details are entered correctly to avoid connectivity issues. With your trigger and action set, it's time to map your fields. This part ties your Paperform fields to the corresponding fields in Zendesk, such as subject, description, requester name, and email. Doing this accurately will ensure that all pertinent information transfers over to your Zendesk ticket seamlessly, minimizing any manual intervention required thereafter. Before we wrap up, you'll want to test your Zap thoroughly. Testing enables you to verify that the integration is functioning as expected. It provides a chance to troubleshoot and correct any misconfigurations. Once you're satisfied with the results, go ahead and click Publish Zap. Congratulations! Your Paperform submissions will now automatically create tickets in Zendesk, streamlining your support tasks and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. That wraps up our tutorial for today on integrating Paperform with Zendesk. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more automation tips.